Well, I really don't have a question. I just want to say thank you, Don. I've been in the program. I joined the program about 4 months ago, I think, and already seeing great progress. We start attacking a loan that started out at 78,000 or 76 or 78,000. So I'm now at 68,000, and I just been in the program about 3 4 months. Also, yay!
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And what's so good about it, my next payment will bring me down to 60,000 or less. And what's good about that, like you say, if you follow the program and everything they tell you to do, and they tell you exactly when to put the money in and when exactly what time to pay it. And if you follow that, it's just awesome. And to the lady that was talking earlier, Dorothy, I think she said she's 60, 65. I'm a little bit more than that, but it doesn't matter because I thought the same thing. And when I pay off this loan, matter of fact, I got two houses already. But when I pay off this one, then I'm ready to buy more houses. Or
That's right, Brenda.
that's where you have to go.
Woo-hoo!
So,
You
and
very
I thought the
smart.
same thing. I said, oh, I can't do
You
it.
the
I'm
best.
retired and
You
I
a
take care of my
genius.
mom and stuff and everything. But the money's coming in mostly is my money. But I got to have my own money and to take care of me and to set up my kids and my grandkids. And that is my goal. But the program is so awesome. I just can't say enough about it. And what's so good
Another
about
one.
it, I forgot to mention this on my next payment. Don
And
say when
another
I
one.
started out, I had 9.1 years to pay it off. And then it dropped to 8 point something years. And then with my next, now I'm at 5.5 years. Yay! Oh, excuse me. Sorry,
Woohoo!
get excited.
Excitement in the house.
So,
So
so
now I'm at 5.5 years. That's what it's stating on the program. I am so freaking happy. I just don't know what to do. But the program works. If you follow the program, do exactly what he's at. And he got an awesome team behind him. And every time you call, you get an answer, you get someone on the phone. It's awesome. And Don himself always respond back if you ask him a question. So that's great. I just want to get hats off to you, Don. And I really enjoy the program.
Miss
My
Brenda, thank
goodness.
you so much for that. That is
Yeah.
awesome. Listen, that's the best present I've had all day. Thank you so much.
My
Well, thank you.
goodness.
And thank you and your team.
Now, so did you
Great
say
testimony.
you said two houses, 5.5 years?
Yeah, they said 5.5. That's what they said. I don't know. I'm just going by what the program saying. I followed the program. Look, and they hadn't led me wrong yet. So I'm following the program. It is
Wow.
awesome, 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 awesome.
Oh my goodness.
And like you say, you can still keep your normal life and do whatever, you just really awesome. I don't
Oh,
eat ramen noodles. I eat salmon.
come on.
Sorry. But
It's
anyway,
amazing.
it's great. It's great. I'm so thankful.
You go on with your bad self, Brenda. That is great.
And she giggling like a schoolgirl. She has
Listen,
her joy
go
too.
ahead.
I love that.
Jared, go ahead and make her a mod, man. She's gonna close out the room for us, man.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
awesome. Awesome,
Wow.
awesome.
Brenda, thank you so much for that. That is awesome. You just helped a ton of people today. And not only that, you did an awesome job just telling us your experience. But I do have a question for you. In all fairness, did you have any trepidation at all at first? Any concerns, any fears?
No, because Don, this is what I've been asking the universe. I'm like, how can I get everybody I talk to? They say, oh no, you can't pay off a mortgage and a car payment. Say it's different. It's, if you got so many years on that and 30 on that, if you can't pay it off in 5 or 6 years or whatever, 4 years. But I'm here to tell them they lied. They don't know. They don't know the P.I.L.L method. You got to know the P.I.L.L method. And when I saw you on Clubhouse, one of my friends told me to join Clubhouse and I started watching. And when I listened to you, thank you, Jesus. That was my answer right there. That's what I always have been looking for because I knew it had to be a better way to pay out 30-year mortgage in less than 30 years. I ain't got 30 yet. Well, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, so I just wanted to And when I first saw that, I said, oh, this is my answer. Thank you. That was my answer. And no, I didn't have no trepidation or nothing. I was in. I was in.
Oh, Miss Brenda, thank you so very much for that. You just warmed my heart. You know, this is why we do what we do. Everybody on this stage, everybody on this stage, this is why we do what we do, to be able to hear testimonials like that, to be able to give good value, give good information that you can't get anywhere else. And folks, I want you to know that on top of everything else, giving first class information, first class customer service, first class when it comes to the platforms that we're using to give out the information. And it's all being done right here. And I'm telling you, people of color coming together, giving excellence. I mean, I'm excited about that. Yeah. I'm excited about that. And so, folks, listen, let's keep going up higher. Let's see how many people that we can help of all stripes. All right, Jared, back to you, sir.
All right, Brenda, thank you so much for that. And what was really cool about that moment was I had no idea Brenda was a testimonial. I don't think Dawn or anybody else knew she was coming on stage. But we really appreciate you for sharing, you know, with everybody else, your positive experience, how you have such a different outlook on what's possible as an investor. That's super helpful for folks that may be on the fence or not really sure if they should do the savings and earnings report. And you're really going to help people save a lot of money. So just want to, again, thank you, Brenda, for coming on stage. And if you are a P.I.L.L Method customer, feel free to come on stage and share your experience with Dawn and the audience. We welcome, you know, all that feedback and insight, because what that does is inspires other people to move forward and save on their interest cost and change the trajectory of their financial situation by moving forward with the P.I.L.L method. So thank you, Brenda, so much. I'm going to move you back down the audience, but you're welcome back on this stage anytime. We love the energy and appreciate you.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.